Hello. Welcome. You don't need to do anything right now. Just lie down comfortably. Let the rain sound slow your thoughts. If thunder comes, don't worry. It is safe here. Close your eyes gently. Breathe in and breathe out. This audio is for rest. You can listen and relax. You can also learn simple English just by listening. No pressure, no stress. If your mind feels heavy, let the rain wash it away. You may stay awake, or you may fall asleep. Both are okay. Let us begin. Hello, everyone. Today I want to share a simple message with you. This is not just for listening practice. This message is for your heart. It is called One Step at a Time. There was a young girl named Maya. She was 18 years old and lived in a small village. Her village was quiet, with narrow roads and old houses. Life there was simple, but not easy. Maya was a student. She studied hard, but her exam results were always average. Some of her friends scored very high marks. Teachers praised them. Parents talked about them. Maya often stayed silent. At night, she would sit near the window, looking at the sky and asking herself, "Why am I not good enough?" Maya's father was a bus driver. Her mother worked in a small shop. They never complained, but Maya could see the tiredness in their eyes. One evening, Maya said softly, "I want to do something big in life, but I don't know where to start." Her mother smiled gently and said, "You don't need to see the whole road. Just take the next step." Those words stayed in Maya's mind. The next day, Maya decided to change one small thing. She did not try to be perfect. She did not try to beat everyone. She chose one subject, just one, and she studied it every day for 1 hour. Some days were hard. Some days she felt tired. Some days she wanted to stop. But she remembered her mother's words. One step is enough for today. Months passed. Slowly, Maya started to understand things better. Her confidence grew. She began asking questions in class. She stopped hiding at the back. Her marks improved, not suddenly, but steadily. More important than marks, Maya started believing in herself. One day, a friend asked her, "How did you change so much?" Maya smiled and said, "I stopped waiting for big miracles. I started respecting small effort." Life still tested her. She failed again in one important exam. She cried that night. But this time, she did not give up. She said to herself, "I have failed before, and I have stood up before." Years later, Maya stood confidently, working in a place she once only dreamed of. She was not the smartest student. She was not the fastest learner. But she was consistent. She was patient. She was brave. Maya learned something very important. Success is not loud. It grows quietly. Dreams do not come for free. They are built with effort, mistakes, and courage. If you are listening to this today and you feel lost, tired, or disappointed, remember this. You don't need to change your whole life today. Just take one small step. That is enough.